Welcome back to Random Vlogs. Thank you everyone for sticking with my channel to watch all the videos. Today we are bringing to you one of the latest SUVs to hit the market in 2021. Introduced only a few days back at the famous Goodwood Festival of Speed. The new Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already and leave a comment with what you would like to see next below.
Well, when I am sitting in a Cayenne Turbo S, I have great memories coming back to me. This was the car that lifted the off-roader, or SUV as you call it these days, to a totally new and different level. I really greatly enjoyed being part of the development of this car. This was the first time I really consciously drove off-road, and I said, that's impossible, because the car also really drives like a sports car, so it was a true sensation at the time. The first Turbo S had 521 PS. The car I'm in right now, the second evolution, clocks up 550 PS and 750 Newton-meter. That was really incredible. I am certainly eager to see how this is going to continue.
Today we are at the Hockenheim Ring, and we'll see how our latest baby from Hemmingen and Weissach does here on the Formula One racetrack. Power galore. Incredibly sound. This is a titanium exhaust system with no middle silencer. Dropping it is always a good idea with a sports car. And the way the car drives, I would certainly categorize it among the sports cars. If you accelerate like this, you must be able to decelerate accordingly. As you are used to with Porsche, the brake is spot on. The PCCB brake is standard, as you will find all other relevant drive dynamic systems on board. Here in this S-bend, you'll find the rear axle rock solid, standing its ground. It has a lot to do with the PDCC, that the car is always nicely balanced and really stays on an even keel. This car has no inkling of traction problems. Coming out of this corner, you have plenty of steering angle, full throttle, loads of power. Just propels you out of the corner. These corners reveal how much we have done to the front axle, a lot, and it makes it more direct. Specifically, the rim has gained ½ an inch in width, simply to increase the contact parch of the sports tire. Combined with the extra ½ degree in camber, you are getting a feel from the front axle, otherwise unknown in this segment. Walter.
Lars, hi.
Good to see you.
So what have you got with you today?
Well, a slightly camouflaged prototype.
Going by which name?
Sorry, can't tell you, but you can drive it.
Much more important than the name anyway. Unbelievable. Steer in, It's incredible. Guys. Who would have thought?
Now I really want to know.
I'm speechless. I thought I'm sitting in the wrong car. I thought I was dreaming of being in a sports car. This is incredible, how this car turns. No pitching, just going round the corner blows your brain out. This is unbelievable.
Good to hear that from you.
Can I go another round?
Tires looking good. Let's go.
This is a mighty leap to anything that was before. This really defines the term SUV anew.
Hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did. Like it and leave a comment below with what you would like us to do next. Till next time, stay safe.